Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can deactivate our Instagram account. First off, head over to your application, get logged into your account which you would like to deactivate, and make sure that you know its credential, like its password. So tap on three bar icon here, then under your account, tap on Accounts Center. In here, you will see Manage Account. Tap on the Manage Account and simply tap on Manage for your Instagram account which you would like to deactivate. Now here, tap on deactivation or deletion. Now deactivating your account is a temporary action. You can reactivate it anytime by entering your credentials. If you would like more permanent action, you may go ahead and delete it. But for today's video, let's toggle on deactivate account and tap continue. Now likewise, all you have to do is tap on continue again. And for security purposes, you will be required to enter the password. Once you have entered the password of your Instagram, confirm your action and then your Instagram account will be deactivated. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.